So you want to go to Remove.bg to remove image background. It's free and can be done in just a few seconds. You don't need to have a login, like a username or a password, to access this page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Images, and I'm going to search lamp. And I'm going to find a lamp. Let's see. I like this lamp, so I'm going to go ahead and save image as lamp. Once you see the checkered image, that means that the background has been removed. I'm going to select download. I'm going to put the two images side by side. So I'm going to put the original image, which is lamp. That's with the background. And I'm going to show you the image without the background. There you have it. Nice and simple.